Hey guys, welcome to Sunny Suburban Homestead. So this is gonna be our first video for 2025. We had some hail and rain for the past week, so the garden is a little bit rough, and we kind of started late this year. As you can see, we combined our, is it 6 or 8 beds to two ones that are big. So like I said, we had some hail and rain for the past 3 to 4 days straight. And look at my eggplant. Those poor things. Look at those leaves. They got pretty much beat up by the hail. These should be black-eyed peas. These ones here should be carrots, which is not growing right now, beets, and 2 kinds of radishes. And this side right here we had some zucchinis. And what I'm gonna show you what the hail did to my rainbow chards. They are gorgeous, big leaves, but unfortunately, like I said, the hail just beat it up. Poor things. And of course, my snow peas almost dead. Okay, here's the other side of the bed. And that's another snow piece. It's not doing well. My okras. These are yellow squash. So we got yellow squash and zucchinis. Yes, this is our yellow squash. The peppers is doing nicely. We have some sweet bananas, couple of shishitus, and the Asian chilies. And these are green peppers right here. Also, it got beat up their leaves from the hail. And these are my green beans. So let me tell you a quick story about my green beans. So we planted some about 3-4 weeks ago, and when it started sprouting, birds just ate the sprouts. So I did not realize actually birds eat sprouts. So we bought some bird netting and put it in and planted the new green beans. So this is what they look right now. I think there's some of them are still sprouting, but yes, it's not looking so good, but at least I had some leaves now that the birds are not eating it. Tomatoes. So we added some cable wire in the middle to tighten more up and secured the tomatoes for it. So we had different varieties here. The first one, this one right here, let's see, it is a German Johnson. And then in between my tomatoes I have some cucumber. They're growing nicely. This one here next to it is a red beefsteak. And in between my tomatoes I have some sweet basils. It's a companion planting. So in this bed with the tomatoes, I got sweet basil growing, the different kind of tomatoes, and some cucumber. And this side of the tomato area, these are the cherries, grape tomato. I got a super sweet 100. Some cherry tomatoes. And then this one here, it's my first year growing this. It's called Juliet. So we'll see how that works, how if it's a good one or not. And then there's my Tammy G. Those are really, really sweet. I like those a lot. And this year we didn't we didn't plant a lot of potatoes. I think we only did, let's see how many, about 8 potatoes. And these are my purple sweet potatoes right here. It's the Asian kind. Not quite sure what is the name of it, but yes. So then my daughter and my husband made that arch right there, built me one. It's for my loofah, which is not growing too well, and bitter melon on the side. So we got a loofah right there and bitter melon in the other side. Stay tuned for that one. We'll see how would that work this year. And right by here we got our new strawberry tears. These are pretty good. These are ever-bearing strawberries. I got my sweet Thai basil back. And some asparagus growing. One. So yes, for now this is it. My lovely garden that's not doing too well, but it's still early. Summer is not here yet. We're closing, but we get enough time to hopefully more plants. And I will see you guys next video. Maraming salamat!